Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles and everything two-wheeled. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our exciting updates and reviews. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated release, the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R. So, without further delay, let's get into it. The Hero Xtreme 125R is one of the most talked about motorcycles of 2026, and for good reason. It comes with a whole host of new features, design changes, and technology improvements that are making it the talk of the town. If you're in the market for a 125cc motorcycle that combines style, performance, and reliability, then you're in the right place. Hero MotoCorp has always been known for delivering high-quality motorcycles, and with the 2026 Xtreme 125R, they've clearly upped their game. In this video, we'll be talking about everything that makes the Xtreme 125R stand out, from the design and engine specs to the riding experience and new tech features. So let's start by taking a look at the design and aesthetics of this beautiful machine. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R is its bold, aggressive stance. It's built for riders who want to turn heads wherever they go. Hero has designed this bike with sharp, angular lines that give it a more sporty and modern look. Whether you're zooming down the highway or navigating through city traffic, the Xtreme 125R is bound to catch eyes with its dynamic styling. One of the key features of this bike's design is the muscular fuel tank. It's not just there to enhance the look of the bike, but also to provide a better riding experience. The tank's shape allows for a more comfortable grip, which is great for long rides. The sculpted bodywork further complements the bike's aggressive aesthetic, giving it a streamlined, aerodynamic appearance. Let's talk about the front end of the bike now. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R features a full LED headlamp, which is not only energy efficient but also provides excellent visibility. The sleek, angular design of the headlamp gives the bike a more futuristic and cutting-edge look. It's paired with a signature LED DRL, daytime running light, to ensure that you're visible even in low light conditions. The tail section of the Xtreme 125R is just as impressive. It's compact, neat, and designed to complement the overall sporty theme of the motorcycle. The tail light is also an LED unit, with a sharp design that adds to the bike's aggressive stance. Hero has also given the bike a new exhaust design. It's short, compact, and has a deep, throaty sound that you'll love. Now, let's get to the heart of any motorcycle: the engine. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R is powered by a 124cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine produces a decent amount of power for its class, around 12 horsepower and 11 Nm of torque, which is more than enough for everyday riding. Whether you're commuting in the city or taking the bike for a spin on the highway, the Xtreme 125R offers a balanced performance that's perfect for both beginner and intermediate riders. Hero has optimized the engine to deliver smooth power delivery throughout the rev range. The bike's throttle response is quick, which makes overtaking and quick acceleration a breeze. It's also designed to offer a refined riding experience, reducing vibrations even at higher speeds. If you're someone who's looking for an efficient daily commuter, the Xtreme 125R delivers just that. On top of that, Hero has incorporated advanced technology to improve fuel efficiency, which is great for those long-distance rides or daily city commutes. With a larger fuel tank capacity, the Xtreme 125R promises excellent range, meaning fewer stops for fuel and more time on the road. One of the standout features of the Xtreme 125R is its suspension setup. Hero has equipped the bike with telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear. This setup ensures that you get a comfortable ride, whether you're on smooth highways or dealing with bumpy city roads. The suspension offers a good balance between performance and comfort, which is something every rider appreciates. Handling-wise, the bike is nimble and agile. Thanks to its lightweight design, the Xtreme 125R feels easy to maneuver, even in heavy traffic. The bike's low center of gravity adds to its stability, making cornering effortless. If you're someone who enjoys taking sharp turns or navigating through tight spaces, this bike will feel like an extension of your body. Safety is always a top priority when it comes to motorcycles, and Hero has ensured that the Xtreme 125R is no exception. The bike comes equipped with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake, providing sufficient stopping power for everyday riding. Hero has also included a combined braking system, CBS, on the Xtreme 125R, which helps in distributing braking force evenly between the front and rear brakes for better stability during hard braking. Additionally, the bike features a sturdy chassis and strong suspension components that contribute to its overall stability. The Xtreme 125R also comes with features like a large, grippy rear tire and a well-designed footpeg setup to ensure better grip while riding. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R doesn't just shine in terms of design and performance, it's also packed with advanced technology that enhances the riding experience. The first thing you'll notice is the fully digital instrument cluster. This modern display shows all the vital information, including speed, fuel efficiency, trip meters, odometer, and a clock. It's also customizable, allowing you to adjust the settings according to your preferences. In terms of connectivity, the Xtreme 125R comes with Bluetooth integration, allowing you to connect your phone to the bike. This feature enables you to receive calls, control music, and even track your ride statistics through the Hero Connect app. It's a great addition, especially for tech-savvy riders who want to stay connected while on the move. Other notable features include the side stand indicator, an engine kill switch, and a USB charging port, all designed to enhance convenience and usability. Hero has truly made sure that the Xtreme 125R is equipped with everything a modern rider would need. So, what's it like to ride the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R? Well, the first thing that stands out is how comfortable and stable the bike feels. The seating position is upright, which is ideal for city commuting as well as longer rides. The seat itself is ergonomically designed to provide all-day comfort, and the handlebar positioning ensures that you don't feel any strain on your wrists or back. On the road, the Xtreme 125R feels solid. The engine delivers a responsive throttle and offers a good balance of power for city riding and highway cruising. You can expect smooth performance when shifting through the gears thanks to the 5-speed gearbox. The bike's suspension handles bumps and potholes with ease, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough roads. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or cruising on a longer stretch of road, the Hero Xtreme 125R is an absolute joy to ride. It feels light and nimble, which makes it perfect for riders who want a motorcycle that's easy to control and manage. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R is priced competitively in the 125cc segment. While prices may vary depending on your location and dealership offers, you can expect the Xtreme 125R to be priced around the Rs. 1 lakh mark in India. For a bike that comes with all the features, performance, and design that Hero has packed into this machine, it offers great value for money. Hero is also offering the Xtreme 125R in different color variants, including classic black, fiery red, and a striking blue. There's definitely a color to suit every rider's personality. And that's a wrap on our review of the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R. It's safe to say that Hero has nailed it with this bike, from its stunning design and performance to its cutting-edge features and technology. The Xtreme 125R is definitely a motorcycle to keep an eye on in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, drop a comment below, and let me know what you think about the Hero Xtreme 125R. Would you consider it for your next bike? Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and ride smart. Catch you in the next one.